vehicle offered by Weatherford BMW.
This stately 2008 Mercedes-Benz C-Class comes equipped with a harmonious 3.0-liter V6 engine, a fluid automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle has comfortable seats, only 17,671 miles, and some of its features and options include air conditioning, alloy wheels and audio system with an AM/FM radio. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.
Weatherford BMW is located at 750 Potter Street in Berkeley. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.